Hey guys, welcome back to Draw with Zach. If you're new to the channel, I'm Zach and this is Frankie, and today we are going to be doing another drawing. So, what is that drawing?
We are drawing Maggie and Marge from The Simpsons.
That's right, so we drew Homer a couple of weeks ago. So today we will be drawing Marge and Maggie. Don't forget to stick around until the end because Frankie will be back. Right, would you like to sit on your iPad? We will get started. So, pause now to grab a piece of paper, a pen or pencil and something to lean on, and we will get started. So we're going to start with Marge's eyes like we did with Homer. So right up here, going to draw a nice big circle, and then you're going to draw a little line out of it for the nose, and then another circle coming out of the other eye, and then you're going to draw two little circles inside of that, and if they're the same size, then go ahead and colour them in, just like that. And then from the eye, you're going to come out, and then it's going to curve in, back up to the eye, curved line, and then little curved line on the end to make it smile. And then we're going to give each eye 4 eyelashes, like this. Okay, and then we're going to come from halfway through the mouth, we're going to do a little bump, and then we're going to come down a little bit. And then, in between one of the eyelashes on the right eye, it's going to come a curved line up, and then like a downward curves until you get to the end of the eye. Then it's going to be inward curves until you get to equal with the bottom of the eye. And then you're going to draw a big semicircle with a curved T inside for the ear, and then a line that comes down to the same level as that other one. Okay, now we're going to draw her actual hair. So we're going to come from the other eyelash. It's just going to be some simple curved lines nearly to the top, and then below the ear is where you start on the other one. And then when you get to the top, just going to curve it round and join up like that. Okay, now I'm going to draw, so she's wearing a necklace, so we're going to draw 3 circles, and then one up here and one up here, so it looks like she's wearing it all around. And now we're going to start with Maggie because Marge is holding Maggie like a baby. So we're going to start with Maggie's eyes as well. So she's going to be about here, and it's going to be smaller of course because she's like what, 1 or 2. And then going to do the nose. It's going to be the other way around this time. Then the other eye, and then you're going to draw basically just little dots really on this one. And then we're going to give each eye 3 eyelashes, like that. And then we're going to draw a little dummy. So we're going to draw below the nose a letter C, and then a really small one inside it. And then you're going to join up edges, and then put a circle, or an oval rather, around it. And then you're going to join the eye up to there, and a line coming out that goes down, like that. Then you're going to draw a slight curved line, goes up, stop, and then you're going to draw that semicircle with a curved T again, for the ear, and then we're going to stop there. So now we're going to draw her head, so it's going to come out from here, gonna come back in, come out, back in, out, back in, out, back in, out, back in, out, and then you're going to join it back up. Okay, well done. If you want, you can put a little bow there, but if you have enough space, but I don't think I do, so I'm just going to leave that. And then we're going to draw some little hands for her. So we're going to draw like just 3 simple lines really underneath here. 3 simple fingers, I mean, like that. And then we're going to draw an oval over here, and then another one that comes off of it, and another one that comes off of it. Okay, now we're back onto Marge, so we're going to draw her arm now that's like going on Maggie. So we're going to come out from the necklace, going to come underneath where these fingers are, and then when it's underneath, it's going to come in, and then as soon as it reaches the start of that hand, it's going to bend down, and then you're going to come back up, and then you're going to start back over here, do another finger and a third finger, and that third finger should join up with that, and that should join up with that, and then you're going to draw a line that goes over there. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line that starts a little bit before that, like that, goes up almost all the way to the top. Okay, well done. Now I'm going to draw a line, just make it a bit longer, a line all the way into Maggie's head, and then a line down here so that she's actually attached. And then we're going to just finish off Maggie's body. So I'm going to draw a little line, well, two little bumps about here. One bump, two bumps. And then from this hand, it's going to come out, it's going to come diagonal, and then it's going to come up. And then from this little point here, it's going to come down and join up with that hand. Okay, now I'm going to come from her arm down and into the hand. Now we're going to draw Marge's other hand that's like, so she's basically like this, we've already drawn that one, and then another one under like that. So I'm going to draw three simple little fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, just like last time. Going to join up. And then we're going to come from that third finger out and down, which is like almost kind of like in a duvet, and then back up. So that is Maggie finished. Okay, and now we're going to give Marge a little bit of a bump here, and then come back down like this. Come back, down, stop, and then on the other side, we'll come down as well. Join up with a curve, and then we are almost done, guys. We're going to draw 4 simple little lines. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So on 1 and 2, you're going to do on line 2, we're going to come down a bit more, out like this, and then back up, and it's about to join up when we're going to come back down. And then we're going to do a straight line until it's equal, and then we're going to join it up. Okay, and then we're going to do the exact same on the other side. About to come up and down. Straight and up. And then you're going to draw a line right from the centre of here, up and there, and the same on the other side. And there you go, guys. That is Marge finished. So we are going to get into speedy mode. So these are all of the colours that you need for this one. So we are going to go into speedy mode. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, speedy mode. Phew! Speedy time is over now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch all my other videos like Homer, and then my other Simpsons videos that I will be doing next week with Bart and Lisa. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you in the next one. Bye! Bye.